Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the Hard Life Garage, where you might be wondering, why am I wearing this mask right now? And the answer to that is this. Because today, we are going to get under my cheap M5 and we are going to scrub it clean. Because it has 20 years of road, dirt, grease, and grime up under this car. Now, this car has lived half of its life in Miami, which was pretty nice, I'm sure. But then the other half was lived in the Northwest. And there was no undercarriage protection, no transmission cover, no engine cover. So everything that it went over went up and splashed around. So this car is just filthy. So I'm going to get underneath and I'm going to begin to clean this so that when I put my new panels back up underneath, which I got 2 metal panels from Euro Power Motorsports, and I'm going to put those aluminum trays in, but before I do, I want to know that it's all clean. No one wants to work on a dirty car, and I'm doing this restoration or rejuvenation now that the frame is back in and I have been able to go through and get in all these nooks and crannies up here. Now I'm going to go ahead and get all underneath, and hopefully this car is going to look and feel as new as a 20-year-old car can be. So at any rate, without further ado, I'm going to get changed and I'm going to get started. So let's go. But I have that handheld one. That one. So, all right, let's go. We're going to start in the back, work our way forward. Okay. And let me tell you, being under the car with only a couple foot of clearance under here, spraying this chemical is not a great place to be. I did not want to spray any more of this than I had to. Getting all this oil and everything off under here, hopefully I'm going to be able to identify any new leaks that I have. I just got done doing the valve covers and I've cleaned as much of the sides of the engine as I can, so now if I see anything new under here, I should hopefully be able to identify where it came from. At this point, my shoulder was already starting to burn. I was getting tired. And I know that no one's gonna see this but me. And I can't let it go. I have to make sure I get under here and get all of this clean. And anytime I get back under here again and have to replace something, at least it's gonna be clean, and that makes me feel good. Well, what's been just a few minutes for you guys has been over an hour on my back. Spraying, and scrubbing, using the drill. So now it's time to break out the steam cleaner. And I'm going to try to get everywhere I can. Get in around the brakes, get in all around the transmission, all around the wiring, anywhere that I can get now to try to keep everything as clean as possible so I won't have to be dealing with a mess every time I need to come in here and do something. So, unfortunately, you can't really see exactly what I'm spraying right here because my camera that was filming from a different direction, of course, I didn't start it. So, can't really see here, but you're going to see the results here in a minute. I'm actually getting in around the subframe right now and trying to get in the crevices where I know that the oil, if it's going to drip down, I want to make sure I can see where it's coming from. So I'm getting all around that oil pan right now and cleaning up everywhere. I think it's starting to come out pretty good, actually. Look how shiny that is. I mean, for a 20-year-old car, yeah, it's got its dents and things, and it's seen a lot of history. But we're gonna make it look better. Well, as you can see, I had to get back out the drill. There were some spots in here that I still couldn't break up, so I just needed to get some extra muscle out on it. This has been the process. Clean, go back over it again, clean, go back over it again. gonna lie, this is hard work, but there is no more satisfying feeling than when you get done and you see how clean it is and you know that you got it done. It's done, it's clean, and no matter what, every time you get back in here and do anything, clean it. That feels good. Now this oil cooler is actually coming off tomorrow. I got a Mitsumoto replacement coming. Not that there's anything wrong with this one. I just want to upgrade mine since I'm doing some other modifications as well. Wow. Pretty impressive. Looking over this, I'm really happy with the way it's coming out. Just going over, double checking, making sure that I got everywhere I wanted to, and I'm happy. It looks good. Look how clean. Finally got everything. Man, did I scrub and scrub and scrub and scrub. Oh, is it worth it? Look at how clean this is. I know that over a camera it's hard to tell, but just look at that drip. Start that drop is. Now, like I said, this Mitsumoto oil cooler is in, so stay tuned for that video. It's coming next.